welcome to my YouTube channel, and this time we are going to discuss the effect of temperature to the speed of sound by yours truly. My name is Dante M. Aguila, or Sir Dante, okay? And we have the most essential learning competency and objectives. In this topic, you will learn to investigate the effect of temperature to the speed of sound. Specifically, you will learn to, number one, describe how temperature is affected by the movement of the particles. Number two, explain how temperature affects the speed of sound. And we have the exploration one, temperature and the movement of particles. We have the picture analysis. So we have two pictures here. On the left side, we have the low temperature area. Napapansin niyo ba? We have the blue background. And on sa right side, we have the high temperature area. We have the pink background. So dito sa low temperature area, blue represent low temperature. Okay? So napapansin niyo, we have the green particles. So, and napapansin niyo rin doon sa beside ng mga particles, may mga line na dalawa. Di ba napapansin nyo, ang iksi ng mga line nila, it represents the movement of the particle. Anong mapapansin nyo? Bakit maiksi yung mga line? Because mabagal po yung kanyang movement. Slow. But slow in movement. Okay? Dito naman sa right side, high temperature, napapansin yung mga green particles, mahaba po yung mga lines. It represents, yung mga mahabang lines ay faster movement because nandun po siya sa high temperature. See, for instance, these particles, ito yung mga particles to, ito po yung mga particles sa certain object. Okay? So, kapag ang isang object ay nasa low temperature area, alam niyo ba mangyari? The sound is slow. Okay? The speed of sound is slow. Dito naman, the speed of sound is higher or is faster. Okay? So, yan po ang analysis, picture analysis natin. Okay? Again, these particles represents the particles of a certain objects or any objects within the Earth. Okay? So, exploration number 2, faster sound in hotter and cooler. So, picture analysis, we have on the left side, we have the drawing. We have 3 drawings pala. We have the desert. Napapansin nyo? Mayroong cactus. May mga sand. Ang temperature niya is 45 degrees Celsius. Second picture, we have the ocean. Okay? The ocean, ang temperature niya is 21 degrees Celsius. Doon sa third picture, we have in the North Pole or in the South Pole. Tignan nyo, may mga ice. Ang temperature niya is negative 10 degrees Celsius. Diba? Napakalamig. So, we are talking about the speed of sound of those pictures. Dito po sa desert, the speed of sound in air in meter per second, we have 358.0 meter per second. In the ocean, we have 343.6 meter per second. Mas mababa pa yung speed niya kumpara doon sa desert. Okay? We are talking about the speed of sound in the air. Okay? And sa North Pole or South Pole, we have 313.4 meter per second ang speed of sound. Dito po sa malamig lugar. Now, based on the picture, pag mataas ang temperature on a certain place, mas mataas din po ang speed of sound on a certain place. Okay? Dito po sa third picture, napakalamig, 330.4 meter per second. Kaya napaka-bagal din yung speed of sound in air in meter per second. The speed of sound is lower. Okay? So, speed of sound. We can change the speed of sound if we change the medium or the properties of the medium that the sound is traveling in. Okay? Ang speed daw ng sound ay pwedeng mabago kung babaguhin natin yung medium or the properties of the medium. Okay? The properties of the medium that the sound is traveling in. Thus, the speed of sound is different in solid, liquids, and gases. Again, ang speed daw ng sound ay magkakaiba sa solids, liquids, and gases. right? So the speed of sound is also affected by those or by these factors. We have the temperature, we have the humidity, and we have the density. Okay, ano ibig sabihin ng humidity? When we say humidity, this is the atmospheric moisture. Okay? And when we say density, this is a degree of compactness of a substance. Right? So in exploration 1, when the temperature gets high, the particles have more kinetic energy and thus vibrate faster. Okay? Mas mataas daw yung kinetic energy ng isang bagay doon sa temperature na mas mataas. Ano bang ibig sabihin ng kinetic energy? Kinetic energy is the energy which a body possesses by virtue of being in motion. Okay? So since sound is a consequence of energy transferred through collisions, the more they collide means faster sound. Alam niyo ba yun? Yung mga object po natin, may mga particles, diba? Example kanina, may green na particles. Kapag nagbabanggaan yun, kapag malakas ang banggaan yun, nangangulugan, nandun po sila sa high temperature places. Okay? Kaya, they collide more. Okay? Means to say, kapag malakas ang collision nila, mas malakas din yung sound na pinuproduce nila. Okay? Exploration 2. Show the speed of sound is also dependent on temperature of the medium. When the temperature is higher, the speed of sound is faster. Diba? When the temperature becomes lower, its molecules move slower, so they collide less frequently compared to the medium or body with a higher temperature, the sound travel slower. Yeah, diba? Sound wave speed is dependent on air temperature. Diba? Mostly, ang sound wave ay nagtatravel po sa air. Diba? Gases. So, sound waves move faster in warmer temperatures and slower in colder temperatures. During the day, temperatures are warmer near the surface and cool off with height. When you shout something to someone across the lake, the sound waves near the surface end up moving faster than the sound wave higher up. Since the speed is greater near the ground, sound waves bend upward, causing the audio to be just out of ear's reach. O ito po yun sa daytime. Tingnan nyo ha. Kapag nag-shout daw yung isang tao dito, ang tendency, pataas siya yung sound wave. Kaya kung mayroong tao dito na gusto mong sabihan, o kaya sigawan, hindi niya maririnig masyado kasi yung sound wave, yung voice mo, yung sound wave, papataas po yung sound. Kasi nag-travel po na mas mabilis yung sound wave sa warmer region compared to sa colder region, sound travels slower. Pero during nighttime, ito po, colder regions, sound travels slower. Sa taas paggabi. Pagbaba naman, nandito po yung warmer region sa seashore. Okay? Shorelines. Warm region, sound travels faster. So yan po mangyayari. Yan po pagkaiba. So this is the picture from Matnog Public Market, Shoreline at Matnog, Sorsogon. Photo by Jasmine P. Nation. Okay? So, during the night, our atmosphere ends up producing a temperature inversion. This means temperature increase with height. Therefore, when you shout across the lake, sound wave higher up and now traveling faster than those near the surface. The faster speed, a laugh causes the sound to bend downward, making it easy to hear what others are saying. In other words, paggabi, yung sound wave po nag-a-laugh. When we say a laugh, when we say a laugh is flying in the air downward. Okay? So, kung nag-shout ka dito, maririnig ng mga tao na yung mga nagsiswimming. Kasi, during nighttime, yung sound wave mo, pababa. Kaya marinig lang. Pero, sa daytime naman is inversely or magkasalungat. Di ba? Right? So, to compute the speed of sound in air at a given temperature, consider the equation below. So this is given. This is the formula for computing the speed of sound. We have capital V, the speed dyan. V is speed of sound in air at the particulate temperature is equal to 331 meter per second plus 0.6 meter per second divided by degrees Celsius. So for example, number 1. Since the given temperature is 10 degrees Celsius, substitute this value of temperature into equation above. So, capital V is equal to 331 meter per second plus 0.6 meter per second divided by 0 or degrees Celsius multiplied by 10 degrees Celsius. Tingnan nyo yung given hindi naman nabago pero babago nyo lang yung temperature. Kasi ang hinahanap 10 degrees Celsius. Yung given pala is 10 degrees Celsius kaya nilagay natin dito. So, gawin natin 331 meter per second plus 6 meter per second. Ano nangyari dito? Bakit 6? Kasi 0.6 multiplied by 10. Ang result, 6. Ikakasal natin yung degree Celsius dito sa baba sa taas, matitira meter per second. Kaya 6 meter per second. So, ang total niyan is 337 meter per second. Okay? Alright. So, we have the vocabulary list. You may refer to the following vocabulary words used in this module. So, we have the words speed of sound. A term used to describe the speed of sound wave passing through the medium. Okay? It is commonly used to refer specifically to the speed of sound in air at different materials or different temperature. It is also a distance traveled per unit of time by the sound as it propagates through the medium. And we have the temperature, a description of how hot or cold an object is. It describes also the movement of the particles, molecules in medium. Yan. Sa atin, alam naman natin pag temperature, mainit at malamig. Diba? Sa Pilipinas, ganun, diba? Minsan, may panahon na malamig, may panahon na mainit. Kapag malamig ang panahon, anong dapat gawin? Mag-jacket. Ano pa? Minom na mainit. Nakape. Mainit na. Okay. It describes also the movement of particles, molecules, or molecules in the medium. Yeah. Alright. That's it. This is Sir Dante. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share our video, and please tell other students to watch this video for more information